everybody. I'm Debbie Pfeiffer and welcome to November at White House Fruit Farm. So November means that we've completed our apple harvest and that we're focusing on the start of the winter holidays. Of course, Thanksgiving being our favorite holiday. So let me tell you a little bit about what's going on here for the month of November. First of all, Evercrisp apples. For those of you folks who've never had an Evercrisp apple, please stop out and try Evercrisp. It's a premium variety that we're growing here on the farm. We're in about our 5th year this year of growing this apple. It's a Honeycrisp Fuji cross, developed right here in the Midwest. It has the sweetness of a Fuji with the crunch of a Honeycrisp and the keeping quality of a Gold Rush. They'll keep for up to a year in your fridge and several weeks on your counter without refrigeration. So don't miss Evercrisp. It is the best apple ever. Apple cider. We think that the apple cider that we make here in November is the absolutely best cider there is. The apples have had a chance to mature and sweeten up, and so apple cider is just fabulous during November. The week of Thanksgiving, we'll be making our very famous Gold Rush cider. 1 week only, just the days before Thanksgiving. That's made with Gold Rush apples, and that'll be a very tart cider. But of course, we have our regular cider all the time. Try it cold or try it hot with some of our cinnamon sticks and our spices in. It's a fabulous holiday drink. Let's talk pies. If you like to make your own pumpkin pies or apple pies, we of course have all your apples for you, and then we have all of our squash behind here to make fabulous pies. Have you ever tried a kabocha squash to make pies? These are the best squash to make pies out of. They're much drier on the inside. They give you lots of flesh for your pumpkin puree. Give them a try, you won't be disappointed. If you're like me and you don't have a whole lot of time to make your own pumpkin pies, then of course you can order from us. We sell an enormous amount of Thanksgiving pies, ranging anywhere from apple to pumpkin to pecan or cherry, peach, fruits of the forest, berry pies, whatever kind of pie you would like, we would have for you. Please call to place your order. We'll be taking orders up until Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and then you can pick up Tuesday or Wednesday before Thanksgiving. But we must have your order. We do have some walk-in pies ready, but if you don't want to miss your favorite pies, give us a call to place an order. Last but not least is our harvest jam and our pumpkin butter. These are great condiments to place on your holiday table. If you make biscuits or have bread or have rolls, pumpkin butter and harvest jam, which is a combination of all the fruits of harvest plus pecans, are absolutely wonderful holiday additions. November on the farm, it's such a great month. We're done with harvest and we're so thankful, which is why we have Thanksgiving, obviously. We're so thankful for our harvest, for our customers, for our community. Join us in celebration of Thanksgiving with all of the bounties of our harvest. I'm Debbie Pfeiffer and we'll see you on the farm.